Hi everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently 7:20 a.m. It is going to be a vlog, a day in the life with me. I have today off today. It's actually Wednesday, September 21st. I have the day off, so I am going to just get some stuff done. I'm going to go to the gym right now, and then I'm going to come back home, shower, get ready, and I'm going to film some content today. So yeah, but I just wanted to start off the vlog, say hello, good morning. We're feeling good. We're going to the gym. This is day 3 of getting back on track of going to the gym. So let's go get this workout in.
Yeah, you manipulate. Yeah, I do the same. I just play the game. Cartier ring got me wrapped around your 3-diamond finger. And know that I'm eager for you. Trying to fight it, I don't wanna hide it. I'm itching to get close to you. Ain't no denying I'm flying so high, and I swear I can.
Hey guys, so I left the gym about 25 minutes ago. I went ahead and went over to Jewel really quickly, which is like our grocery store, to pick up some flowers. Today is actually my grandmother's 98th heavenly birthday. And my grandma, if you guys don't know, she passed away. It's gonna be 4 years in January. I can't believe it's been 4 years already. Like, I can't believe it, but it would have been her 98th birthday. And yeah, so I get so choked up about it. I miss my grandma so much. If you guys don't know, she did have dementia, so she battled so hard with dementia. And I'm gonna head over to the cemetery, and I picked up these really beautiful little flowers to put. I wish they had purple flowers because purple was my grandma's favorite color. So I wish they had purple, but they didn't. So those are gonna have to do. So we're gonna head to the cemetery right now. It's a little bit of a ways, so we're gonna go there, and I'm first gonna stop at Starbucks and grab a coffee and probably some egg bites because I didn't eat breakfast and I'm really, really hungry. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's go do that, and then I'm gonna come home and shower and get ready for the day to film some content for Instagram and TikTok and all that fun stuff. So yeah, so let's go do that. It's been an emotional week. Okay guys, so I've gotten ready, I filmed a video, and then I went outside and checked the mail, and I got a package in that I want to share with you guys. It's another designer dupe bag. I'm obsessed with this bag. So here is the box. As you can see, no guess is here. It's a Dior bag. This is a bag that I've been wanting for so long in my collection. Look at the box, like, stunning. The company reached out to me and they sent me this bag, so thank you so much. I will have it all linked down below in the description box with all the information. So let's go ahead and unbox this bag. The beautiful Lady Dior Christian Dior bag. I love this so much. You guys can really see the detail here with the bag. I still have the little plastic parts on here, but it says Dior. I loved this bag in the black because I think this is like the perfect fall to winter bag. It's such a perfect size. This is the medium size, and I love the stitching and the detail. Like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So let me go ahead and show you guys the inside of the bag. So here is the inside of the bag. It's pretty spacious. You have really good room in there. Definitely can carry your phone, my camera, anything I really needed I can carry in there. I love this so much. It's so elegant, so classy. And my favorite part about this bag is that you do get the strap with it. So here is the strap as well. It says Dior on it. I hope you guys can see it. It picks it up on camera. Sometimes a little bit hard with the lights, but you can see it says Dior. Christian Dior. I love this. So then you just strap it onto the bag so you can wear it as like a longer body, crossbody bag, or you can carry it like this. This is probably the way I'm going to carry it the most, just because it's just such a nice, like, classic bag. They have so many different styles and colors and bags that you will definitely love. I think it is just so gorgeous. It's so dainty, it's classy, it's elegant, sophisticated. It's giving everything it needs to give for the fall and winter season. So I'll show you guys it again. Look at that detailing, the stitching, love. I still have to take off these little things, but I love this bag. It's beautiful. And yeah, so if you guys want to get your very own bag, I will have it linked down below in the description box, the exact one that I got, and also all the information to shop on their website. So I love this. Thank you so much to the company for sending me this bag. I absolutely love it. And I will leave that information down below. So I wanted to just take this time in the vlog to just sit here and update you guys and just talk a little bit, because I feel like I don't do this enough on my channel, and I've been wanting to do this for a while. So if you've been following me for a while, you would have probably seen back in 2019, 2020, me doing like weight loss journey stuff, and I was actively losing weight. And over that course period of a year, I lost about 60 to 65 pounds, give or take. During that time, I felt so great about myself. I was really feeling healthy. I felt like I was making really healthy food habits and just really working on my health and my fitness and all of that. And all aspects of my life, I felt like I was growing as a person. After the whole pandemic hit, it was very, very hard and very challenging for me mentally, as many of us have gone through lots of struggles during the pandemic. Really tested our mental health, and I definitely think I was extremely tested during that time. And I kind of slowly, over the last year and a half, I would say mostly the last year and a half, really have gone kind of backwards on my weight loss journey and fitness and everything. I probably have gained back about 30 pounds of the 60 that I lost. And for the longest time, I have been beating myself up about it. I've been having this like awful image with my body, an awful feeling of disappointment in myself, and I really just wanted to come on here and talk about it. Like, it's something that I struggle with all the time. I think I kind of, over the past year and a half, I've really fell off on my healthy eating and exercising and being active and just doing things that are good for my body and good for my soul. And I think for most of this year has been kind of a hard year for me mentally, I would say. And I also just am working on myself and therapy, and also just working on myself as a person in other areas in my life. So with gaining 30 pounds, it's kind of been a struggle for me. I'm noticing, clothes not fitting. I've seen myself gaining weight, and I just see like old patterns of myself starting to reappear. And if you go back and watch my other weight loss journey videos, you guys would have seen that I've kind of briefly talked about having, when I started my weight loss journey back in 2019, I was at the lowest point. I feel like in that year of 2019, I really did hit like a low point. I lost my grandmother, and I was grieving her for a really long time, and it was just like a really hard emotional time for myself. On top of that, I was dealing with friendships that, honestly, looking back, they weren't really my friends, and it was just like a dark period in my life where I kind of was removing myself from toxic situations, and I was really growing and thriving. And when I found myself like feeling better and like getting into the gym and getting a routine and eating healthy and just doing things that made my body feel good, I noticed a change in myself. And over the past year or so, I've kind of gone backwards, and I've kind of got to this place where I'm like, okay, here we are, it's time to start over. And that's what we're doing. So I am getting back on the weight loss train, and it's not about necessarily losing weight, but I do want to feel healthy, and I want to just feel good again. I just really am focusing on myself again and really just making strides to making myself feel happy. And so I'm getting back into like my routine of going to the gym and eating healthy, and I'm definitely gonna be doing those videos with you guys, but I kind of wanted to be more open about just struggles of, you know, weight loss, and it's not always as it seems. I just kind of wanted to be open and honest with all of you, because I know so many of you guys have followed my like journey, and also I just kind of want that open relationship because this might be helpful for somebody else that's struggling as well. So I kind of just wanted to briefly talk about that. If you guys want me to go in like more in depth in a video about it, I definitely can do a separate video about it, and you guys can like ask me questions or anything like that. But I just kind of wanted to briefly talk about that while I was here, and like just taking a minute to like organize everything and just vlog. I thought this was like a really important thing I wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, so as of today, I've been working out. I worked out the past 3 days. I felt so good to get in the gym first thing in the morning and like just move my body is the main goal. Just move my body every day and feel my body with foods that make me feel good. And that's kind of where I'm at right now, and that's kind of the journey I want to go towards. I'm probably going to start posting more on my weight loss, my Steph's Fit Journey Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me there, definitely do. I'm going to try to be more active on there and like kind of just show you guys what I'm eating for the day and all of that. So yeah, so that's basically that. I just wanted to kind of update with you guys. I do get questions here and there on some of those videos, like, can you do more of these videos? And they're gonna come eventually. I just don't want to put too much pressure on myself to do all those. But anyways, I felt like I've been talking for so long. I am going to now clean up this filming mess because I have to film one more video. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably relax a little bit, do some editing and unwind. So yeah, okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog because I'm not gonna vlog anymore today. I did just a little bit throughout the day. You can really see how the skin is not looking good these days, folks. I used some of that Good Molecules stuff on my face, and I think that really kicked it into overdrive. I feel like my skin is very sensitive, so if I try a new product, it sometimes like freaks out. Like, it's pretty bad right now, so embarrassing, but whatever. I'm gonna eat my dinner right now. I just got myself Chick-fil-A, and me and my mom are gonna watch The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. We're so excited. We've been waiting for this episode since the season came out. How excited are you, Mom?
Very. What?
You're always like this. Very. Why are you always whispering?
What do you want me to say? Very excited! Like that? That's just obnoxious.
Yeah, so we're gonna watch Beverly Hills. Very excited. You know what I also realized? Today is September 21st, and just 2 more days, and it's 1 month until we see Johnny Depp.
Oh boy, I can't wait.
Me and my mom are going to see Jeff Beck and Johnny Depp at the Chicago Theater.
She's dragging me.
Yeah, I basically am dragging my mom to go with, because no one else wanted to go with me, and I really didn't want to go by myself.
I like him, but I don't care for the music.
It's not about that, Mom. We're going to see Johnny Depp in person. Anyways, also, it's my, what is it, 3 years ago? I met the Jonas Brothers yesterday. Crazy how time goes by so fast. But anyways, I'm ending the vlog. I'm gonna eat dinner, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in the next one. Bye.